Hey guys, so today I am unboxing the Maniology box of shadows. This is a kind of like Halloween advent calendar of nail art and nail related supplies. So I'm going to unbox the whole thing today. So this is kind of a spoiler. If you do want to unbox it one day at a time, then you probably don't want to watch this, but I'm going to show everything that's in here. I plan on having my face in this video today, and it's just not working. The camera that I'm using to film this is in the way of my face camera. My lights are in the way. I tried it a few different ways and it's not happening. And we're in kind of a rush because this did get here a little bit later than it was supposed to. So I'm trying to get it up before it sells out. So on the 15th of September, the plates and most of the items in here will be available individually, but there are a few that are exclusive to the box. So I will link Maniology down below. I also have an affiliate code with them, so I'll put that on the screen and have that in the description box as well. And let's just open the box. I'm gonna end up leaving greasy cuticle oil fingerprints on everything because I just oiled so my hands wouldn't look so rough on camera. But the first thing in here is the countdown book. So this just has little teasers to what you're opening up day to day, and then also some nail art ideas for the products that are in the box. So there is a sheet of Halloween stickers in here, and this is a 13-day countdown to Halloween. Day one. So this is a ghost-themed stamping plate binder, or Halloween, I guess Halloween themed with ghosts on it, stamping plate binder. So that's day one. Day two. This is the M312 Halloween stamping plate. So I see some Ouija board looking stuff on here. Pumpkins, bugs, which I actually really like the bugs. So I would say this is like the slightly witchy themed plate, maybe. Day three. This is like a metallic blue with holographic glitter in it, and it says it is a stamping polish. So I'm very curious how this stamps with all that holographic sparkle in there. And this is called Occult. Day four. I'm really struggling to get this open, but this is a Halloween themed monocle stamper and scraper. So here is the stamper. So I know the monocle stamper is obviously like shorter, lower profile, and wider. I'm not really sure if other than the shape, there's like a benefit to this, if it's just something like where you prefer the shape, or it can do things that the other ones can't. And then also this little purple plastic scraper with the same bone print on it. And this is exclusive to the box. Day five. So I just opened up my email and I actually have the names of the plates. So that witchy plate was called the Practical Magic plate. This is the M314, which is the Skeletons in the Closet plate. And this is just a bunch of different bone themed images. So I see people bones and animal bones. Day six. So this is another like metallic stamping polish. This is a very metallic red with silver holographic glitter in it. This is called Bloodbender. Day seven. So this is the M315 Paranormal Activity plate. This is a bunch of ghost themes and yeah, we'll just say ghost theme. Day eight. This is ghost printed non-latex cuticle tape. So if you're allergic to latex or you just don't like using liquid latex to create a barrier around your skin and your nails when you do nail art to try to avoid some of the mess, then these are a good option. They're very, I haven't used Maniology's brand, but I have used these before, and they're stretchy. So you kind of like stretch them over the skin around your nail just to protect if you're water marbling or stamping, so you don't stamping, so you don't have so much cleanup to do on your skin after. So that's day eight. And these are also exclusive to the box. Day nine. So this is a tool that I really don't know what's happening here. So this is described as cuticle pusher / pincher. So I've got a cuticle pusher on this end, a little bit more of like a scraping, almost pointy tool on that end. And then a pincher, which isn't quite tweezers, but opens kind of like tweezers. Maybe this is just me not really being super versed in nail art, still kind of learning, but I'm not really sure what this is used for. I don't know, you guys will have to tell me what you think you could use these for. What's nice about them is you push to open them, so if you're grabbing onto something, you let go, it's gonna keep its grip, so you don't have to keep constant pressure on the tweezers or the pincher, I guess, to hold on to whatever you're holding on to. Maybe cotton balls, I don't know. I feel like this is one of those things that there's a million different uses for it. You just have to be in a situation where you need something like this before you can think of what you'd use it for. And it's this kind of like multi-chrome rainbow coloring. Day 10. So this is the M316 Black Widow plate, and this is a bunch of spider images, which I'm actually really excited about because I had some nail art I wanted to do for Halloween that that involved spider webs, and Lord knows I cannot freehand anything. So really excited about this one actually. Day 12. So this is the Hex stamping polish. This is a metallic purple with that silver holographic glitter. So I skipped 11 and opened 12 first. So if things are a little out of order in the video, that's why, but let's do day 11. So this is the Shadow Work Black Flash Glitter. So this is a loose flash reflective glitter. And this is another thing that is exclusive to this box. And finally, day 13. So this is the M313 Witch's Familiar plate. This has a bunch of kitty cats, like Halloween, creepy little kitty images, and I love it. And also here are swatches of the 3 polishes. They look a little more metallic and a bit less holographic swatched. It seems like a lot of that holographic sparkle was kind of just stuck to the side of the bottle. I'm trying to move it around a little bit and see if we can see some of that sparkle, but they seem mostly just metallic. Definitely not as intense of a holographic glitter as it seemed from looking at them in the bottle. So that is the Maniology Box of Shadows Halloween Countdown Advent Calendar unboxing. I will link the Maniology website down below. Again, these boxes are available right now. There are a few exclusive items. So the tape, the stamper, and the glitter here are all exclusives, but everything else will be available individually on September 15th at the Maniology website. I do have an affiliate code with Maniology, so I will have that down in the description box as well as up on the screen. Hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I will talk to you later. Bye.